Namaste bachcho. Myself JV Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today I am going to teach you about depression of freezing point. This topic belongs to thermodynamics, equilibrium and solution of BSc B8 PCM ZBC and BSc PCM ZBC of 4th semester. Okay. So in previous classes we have learned about what is lowering of vapor pressure and elevation of boiling point. So today's class we have to learn about the depression of freezing point. So depression of freezing point is a relationship between depression of freezing point and lowering of vapor pressure. Okay, the pressure of pure liquid changes with the temperature as shown by the curve ABC. Okay, here is the curve. Okay, which is ABC. It is a normal vapor pressure of pure solvent. If we add the non-volatile solvent to it, it decrease. Okay, so there is the sharp break at the B, which is in fact the freezing point of the curve. So that's the point B corresponding to the freezing point of the pure solvent, which is represented as a TF, the temperature where the solvent freeze. Okay, which is represented as a TF. The vapor pressure of curve of the solution 1 is a non-volatile solute in the same solvent is known as a for the vapor pressure for the second solution. Okay, it is similar to the vapor pressure curve of the pure solvent at meet at the freezing point curve at F point, which is indicated by T1, and it is a freezing point for the solution 1. Okay, the difference of freezing point of the pure solvent and the solvent is referred to the depression of a freezing point is represented by the symbol del T or del Tf. Okay, so the del T, the depression of a freezing point, is equals to depression del Tf minus T1. Okay, so if we compare the triangle FBD and CBE, here you can see the both triangle. For this triangle DF by if you put when the more of the solute added to the solution 1, we get the more concentrated solution, which is solution 2. The vapor pressure of the solution is meet to the freezing point C, which is indicate further the lowering of freezing point. Okay, so for the dilute solution, FD and CE are approximately parallels, slight straight lines. So and BC is also a straight line. So now if we compare both the triangle, which is a BDF and BEC, which is are similar. Okay, so on behalf of DF, DF, we can put the term T1 and TF, and on behalf of EC we can put the term of TF and T2. So here you can put TF minus T1 because TF is higher as compared to T1, and TF minus T2, as well as for BD and BE we can put the values of pressure, which is P1 minus P minus P1 and P minus P2. Okay, this P1 minus this P minus P1 and P minus P2 is a lowering of vapor pressure, and here PF minus T1 and TF minus P2 is a depression in freezing point. So here you can put the values of these. We can put the on behalf of TF minus T1 by TF minus T2, we can put the del T, and on behalf of P minus P1 and divided by P minus P2 we can put P minus PS, which is lowering of vapor pressure of solution. So hence the depression of freezing point is directly proportional to lowering of vapor pressure. So by this equation we can calculate that much how much depression of freezing point for the solution for the for the solution which is included the non-volatile solvent. Okay, thank you very much. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please comment me in comment section. Thank you.